Good afternoon. Fantastic Food speaking.
Good afternoon. This is Stephen.
Stephen?
Yes, Steven.
Okay, Stephen. Can I help you?
I need 4 pizzas for this evening, please.
4 pizzas?
Yes, 4 pepperoni pizzas, please.
Okay, sure. What's your address?
Cherry Lane.
How do you spell it?
Cherry. Cherry Lane.
Oh, it's not far from here. Excellent. What number's your house?
Number 49.
49?
Yes, my house is next to the bookshop.
Okay, very well. What's your family name?
My family name is Jackson.
How do you spell it?
Jackson.
Fine. What time do you need your pizzas?
At 11 p.m.
11 p.m. That's very late.
I know. It's a pyjama party.
Oh, sure.